Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Optima EX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.